Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert an image which has a table to Excel sheet. Okay, like this. I have this image. Okay, so I am going to convert. This is our image, and now I'm going to convert it into a Excel sheet. Okay, so what I have to do? So what you have to do? First of all, go into Google Chrome and you have to type this one. Okay, first we uh, turn that file that image into PDF and then PDF to Excel. Okay, so now I'm going to select that PDF. Okay, was that image into PDF. Okay, now click on convert to PDF. Okay, now after that what you have to do, just download it and new PDF. Okay, click on save, and now you have to search PDF to Excel, PDF to Excel, and convert PDF. Now click on PDF, and here you will find that new PDF file, and now click on open. Now here you will see convert to Excel. Now wait for few seconds, continue without OCR. Okay, now you have to wait for a few seconds, and now you have to download it, new PDF Excel. Okay, now I'm going to open it. You will see like this. Like this you can convert an image to Excel file. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.